An astronomical telescope has an objective of focal length 100 centimeters and a diameter d. Okay, astronomical telescope has an objective of focal length 100 centimeters and a diameter d. The eyepiece has a focal length of 2.5 centimeters and the eye is held close to the eyepiece for viewing. Let m1 be the magnifying power when the telescope is in the normal adjustment, that is final image is at infinity, and let m2 be the magnifying power when the final image is at the least distance of distinct vision, that's 25 centimeters, also called as near point. Then m1 equals m2, m1 is slightly greater than m2, m1 is slightly less than m2. The ratio m1 upon m2 depends on d from NEST 2010. Okay, now look here, we have to recall a formula which we have studied in the topic of lenses present one after the other. Okay, so suppose if we have lens 1 here and suppose we have lens 2 here, like lenses in series, what is the net magnification produced? It will be the magnification produced by 1 and magnification produced by 2, correct? m1 into m2. In this case, nothing is going to happen to m1 or the magnifying power of objective. What is going to change is the magnifying power of eyepiece, and we know the two cases clearly because eyepiece acts as simple microscope, correct? Eyepiece behaves as a simple microscope, and for simple microscope we have two cases clearly. One is when the image is at infinity, the magnification is less, we consider it angular magnification, it is 1 unit less than the magnification that we otherwise get. Okay, fine. So here are the formulae. m1 in the first case, normal adjustment, final image at infinity, it is mo into d by f. But when it comes to m2, magnifying power when the final image is at the least distance of distinct vision, it will be 1 plus d by f, and we have derived these expressions in theory if you remember, right? Okay, let me use appropriate colors. Normal adjustment, final image at infinity, d by f. Final image is at least distance of distinct vision, it's 1 plus d by f. Okay, that's the maximum power, and you clearly can see that m1 is going to be less than m2. Okay, in magnitude m1 is going to be less than m2 because m2 has 1 plus that. Okay, so what option is there? m1 is less than m2, m1 is slightly less than m2, option C.